COVID-19. Let's jump right in with the 5 simple but effective tips. Tip 1. Wash your hands regularly. Make sure to wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Especially if being in public.
Tip 2. Wear mask. When you're in crowded in your spaces, well-fitted mask can protect you and others by reducing of the spread respiratory droplets.
Tip 3. Keep a safe distance at least 6 feet away from people who don't live with you. The virus is spread more easily in close contact.
Tip 4. Boost your immune system. Eat nutrition food, stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and exercise regularly. A strong immune system is your best defense.
Tip 5. Get vaccinated and boosted. Vaccines are one of the most effective ways to prevent severe illness from COVID-19. Stay updated on your shot to keep protection strong.
That's it for today, guys. For following these tips, you can reduce your risks and protect the people around you. If you found this helpful,